And Anne, I wanted to throw you a question here. Question's been coming up a lot. Notification of confirmed cases at the company. Is there any obligation to notify other employees?
Well, I think that the answer to that would be yes. Under the federal and the California health and safety regulations, employers do have an obligation to maintain a safe work environment and also to guard against some airborne contaminants. So both Cal OSHA and OSHA have issued guidelines and fact statements, and even to general industry employers. And that includes actively encouraging sick employees to stay home, send employees with acute respiratory illnesses symptoms home immediately, provide information and training on hygiene and issues surrounding this virus, and perform routine cleaning in the workplace. Now, if you're notifying your workforce that yes, there's been some employees who've contracted this virus, you have to be very mindful to protect the medical privacy of those employees. Do not name names. You're under an obligation to maintain all medical information regarding your employees to maintain their privacy in that.
Yep. And also another related question to that is there a need to notify customers if an employee has been confirmed to have coronavirus? And, I think this is a good question in terms of the restaurants that are still open with delivery or drive-through operations. What if they have a known case of COVID-19, an employee tested positive? Do you think there's an obligation to notify customers of that?
So I'm not aware of any explicit legal authority that would impose a duty on a restaurant to do that. And so I would say at this point, that's one of these open, fluid situations that if I would leave to the discretion of the employer whether to do that or not. But again, I'm not aware of an actual duty that they must, report that or somehow notify customers that an employee at some point has contracted the virus. Again, if you are going to notify anyone that another employee has the virus, you've got to maintain the privacy in that employee's medical information.